Macomb. Uncle Marky. Yep. I was greeted by this poor little guy. I don't know. Sorry, bud. I don't know if that's a kitty cat that got to him, or he, who knows, flew into the front door. You know how they do that with windows sometimes, right? Uh-huh. Okay, the front porch, right? Okay. This is the first area I showed you, the end of the basement wall, where it meets the porch. Porch, basement wall. By the way, the wall is bowed in. It's most certainly bowed in the middle and towards the other side there, other end. That's what I thought I saw on the inside, right? I don't know what happened here. There. So you got that there. And at the possibility of two separate leaks, you know, what happened to the wall under here? There's nothing under there. You know what I mean? Nothing. Nope. So I would go from around this corner, oh, whatever, a foot beyond here, just beyond the downspout. Okay. And I don't know if you can get a better look at that bow from here or not. Probably not, huh? Okay, well, I guarantee you it's bowed in. Want to take a guess as to why? Huh? Okay.